Hi everyone, this is Dewey Wright with Bretz RV and Marine in Missoula, Montana. Today we're going to be looking at the 2022 Solitude 310 GK. So Solitude truly is Grand Design's flagship. As we get inside, you're going to see all the full-time living amenities that they have to offer. From the outside, we've got two awnings for increased exterior space, and you've got the frameless exterior windows. This Solitude is equipped with the MORryde hitch pin, which gives you increased stabilization with some rubber dampeners in there for that chucking and bucking when you take off and you start and stop. They couple it with a CRE 3000 suspension system to give you increased travel and protect everything you're carrying in this. Just as you would expect from Grand Design in their flagship product, they've given you a 6-point auto level system, so you're going to have 2 extra pistons to drop and stabilize everything once you're set up. Your water system comes complete with a full house water filtration to purify everything that's taking place inside the coach. And now they've also given you a convenient electronic hose reel for when you're getting ready to put everything away. So Grand Design not only gives you the added protection of the Mylar seal on all of its seams, they've now added backup lights for all your LED exteriors. They were one of the first companies to go ahead and warrant their decals. Not only are you set up for full-time living, extended camping situations, but to know that your decals are going to last you for 5 years, for as long as you want to have this coach. When you step up to the high end of what Grand Design has to offer in their Solitude, you're getting all of their luxury appointments. From solid surface, heavy-duty countertops. This particular unit is washer-dryer prepped. You're going to have solid woods on your cabinetry and your doors. They've even upgraded to the chef-inspired kitchen with cast iron grate tops, 4 burners, and a full-size oven big enough to bake a turkey in. The Solitude comes standard with almost a 4,800 watt fireplace to take the chill out of the air so you don't have to turn on that furnace. You've also got the recessable TV, sinks down into the counter, and gives you plenty of workspace here, along with the theater seating, heated and massage chairs from Thomas Paine. By adding the large stainless steel trimmed window in the kitchen, it really brings a lot of light into this area where you spend a lot of time, and they've given you real subway tile, not that fake stuff. To complete the kitchen, they've given you the largest propane electric refrigerator in the industry at 18 cubic feet. For customers that are expecting residential appointments in their shower, you've got 3 full shower heads here along with a flip down seat in this spacious shower area. The bedroom is complete with a large stackable washer dryer prepped area that can also be for hang up clothes. And don't forget the complete reach-in closet for taking everything with you, including a shoe rack. And when you reach into the closet in the morning and pull out those shoes, they've given you a recessed ottoman to put them on in the morning. For all those valuables that you don't want out visible, in your chest of drawers, Grand Design has given you hidden storage on the top to put those things out of sight. No high-end luxury fifth wheel will be complete without a built-in vacuum cleaner system to make up cleanup nice and easy. So there's a quick look at the all-new 2022 Grand Design Solitude 310 GK. My name's Dewey at Bretz RV and Marine. Come see us or check us out online at bretzrv.com.